Were you aware of the Inpatient Prospective Payment System 2020 proposed rule issue that directly impacts coding professionals? Well, in this video, we will discuss what documentation, coding accuracy, and your organization's bottom line all have in common. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, we provide you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. The Inpatient Prospective Payment System, or IPPS, proposed rule for 2020 will adjust part of the formula that sets the base payment rates for acute care hospitals for inpatient stays. The Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS, sets base payment rates prospectively for inpatient stays based on the patient's diagnoses and severity of illness. The proposed rule has close to 1,500 changes to complications or comorbidities, aka CCs, or major complications or comorbidities designations, or MCCs. Most of these changes involve a reduction in the severity level, a whopping 87.2%. Most of the severity level changes, about 77% or 1,149 ICD-10 codes, are going from CCs to non-CCs. Common examples of the specific diagnoses that will change from CC to non-CCs are as follows: GI, respiratory, pancreatic, central and peripheral nervous system, GU, connective and skeletal system, primary and secondary neoplasms, Kaposi sarcoma, leukemia and lymphomas, acute blood loss anemia, chronic heart failure, ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease, cutaneous abscess, Reiter's disease, stage 4 and 5 chronic kidney disease, BMI of 19.9 or less, BMIs of 40 to 44.9 and 45 to 49.9, and transplant status. Again, since the formula is based on the diagnoses and the severity of illness must be clearly documented by the provider. Coders must be knowledgeable of the coding guidelines to accurately code cases, and both of these areas can impact the organization's bottom line. I'm sure the outcome of this proposed section will be a hot topic in the final rule. Several organizations were encouraging folks to send responses during the comment period. I'll keep you posted when the final IPPS final rule drops in a few months. I'm sure folks will have their eyes on this one. I hope this information was helpful for you. If so, let me know in the comments below, and feel free to share this information and video with others who may need it. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. If you or someone you know is interested in becoming a certified marketable medical coder and interested in more information on these tips and others, then check out these videos. Also, check this out.
Are you interested in medical coding, but not sure where to start and scared of wasting time and resources? Let me help you with the right steps to become a certified marketable medical coder. Learn more at bit.ly/5stepscoder.
Feel free to subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications when we upload new content. I love hearing from you. So let me know you were here by providing a comment. Trust me, I read all the comments. So let's stay connected. And I also respond. Remember, be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Until next time, take care, and thanks for watching.